So here we have an Enco 7-inch by 12-inch horizontal bandsaw, 115 volt, 4-speed belt drive. Then I'm going to fire it up, show you that it does operate. Operates very well. The hydraulic down feed, adjustable. We tested the coolant pump. It does operate. And as the head comes down, this red tab here, it's a switch, turns the machine off. So we have a broken junction box right here. Okay, it's still intact, but you can see the wires in there. And then the capacitor cover right here. It's plastic also. This cracked. It's missing the fan and fan shroud for the motor. There's a adjustment knob right here where you're cutting with. That plastic knob broke. It's still usable. And there's some scratches and dents along the base here, and on the inside here, on the corners. There's a coolant pump down there. Overall, it's in really good condition. Just a little dusty from storage. Wasn't covered up or anything like that. It includes 4 casters, 2 axles, the hardware for the axles, and this is a vertical cutting plate. The instructions are not included. You can obtain those at the Enco website online. You can print out the PDF file. Then we thank you for looking at our product.